Yay, it's time for your very last problem on your review. You are doing so awesome. All right, C says, this is for C, it says, write the addition sentence you found when solving the problem and then use the same three numbers to write three more number sentences. So I want you to think back. I'm going to help you out a little bit. Remember, I'm helping you today, but I can't help you on your test tomorrow, so pay attention. I want you to think back to the problem that you did yesterday on Pear Deck, your exit ticket, where you were given a number bond, okay, and you had to write four number sentences, 2 plus and 2 addition. So altogether you had 4. 2 plus and 2 addition. You had 4 sentences total. That's what you're doing here. You are using those 3 numbers from the number bond, or those 3 numbers from the story that you just got done thinking about, how there was 3 people on the swings, some more came, and now there's 8. Hopefully you figured out that missing part. And now you need to use those 3 numbers to give me all 4 number sentences. So I want you to write the first addition sentence, the next addition sentence, and then the 2 subtraction sentences. Remember, 2 plus and 2 minus. Remember, boys and girls, the numbers here are the only numbers that should be in your number bond. And you know what? I'm going to help you, okay? Because I really want y'all to get this right. So you had 3 people on the swings, and you had 8 at the end. So that means that 5 more must have joined them. Hopefully yours looked like that. These numbers, 3, 5, and 8, are the only numbers that you should be using in your number sentences. You shouldn't have a 1 right now. You shouldn't have a 2 or a 4 or a 10 because I don't have those numbers in my number bond. The only numbers I have are 3, 5, and 8. Those are the only numbers that I'm using in my addition and subtraction sentences. I'm just moving them around. So remember, when you add, you start with your parts and you equal your total. But when you subtract, you start with your big number. So every time you subtract, boys and girls, every time you minus, you need to make sure that you're starting with that big number, your total, all right? So if you need to go back to your work on the previous slide to, one, see if it matches mine, or to see, figure out what those numbers are or what your sentences are, get that information and write all 4 number sentences. And then you're done. I'll see you at the end.